I'm going to break Princess Peach's crown. But first, I need to pick her crown stealthily. I'm out of here to break her crown. How to break Princess Peach's crown. Break my crown. Since Princess Peach's crown has been broken, I'm out of here. Waking up. What the heck? Where is my crown? Oh woman, my crown has been stolen.
Mario comes. My dear Princess Peach, what's wrong?
Wait, Miss P has broken my crown.
Oh my God. He is in so much trouble. I will call his parents. Hello, Miss P's parents. Miss P has broke Princess Peach's crown. Can you please crown him? Okay. Bye.
Oh. Miss P, how dare you breaking Princess Peach's crown? Now their toads must spend $500 for Nerd Round back as thanks to you. That's it, you are grounded for 14,700 years and grounded for life. Go to your room right now or you will be sent to Estonia. Wow.